Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is Rohan. So let's get started. In this video, we will learn how to draw a realistic portrait using grid method. And the first basic step is to get your outlines correctly. I won't go deep to explain what the outlines are and say that outlines is a drawing or sketch, blah blah blah. Surely not. I'll just explain it quickly. See the sketch? The shape or the structure of the sketch is simply the outline of this sketch. So it is very necessary for us to make the outlines perfect, or else you will get this instead of this. Simple? So in this video, we will see how to make the outlines perfect using the grid method. What is the grid method? Simply use a grid as a catalyst to improve your outlines. Wondering how? Now I am choosing this picture as my reference image for the sketch. I have to convert this into this. So check out this video for the whole process of the conversion. So after converting, let's start the sketch using an A4, a scale, a mechanical pencil, if possible with a light shade lead, and an eraser. Now I have to make an exact grid as in my reference photo on the A4 sheet. So let's make it. And done. It really took a lot of time than a snap. So this is a grid of 1 centimeter gap both horizontally and vertically. If you want the same grid PNG, check the description. Also, I have marked the reference numbers and alphabets on the rows and columns respectively as per the reference image. So the next step is to draw the outlines. For making the outlines, what we have to do is that we have to observe the reference photo and we have to locate the position of each parts like the eyes, nose and the mouth, etc. So let's begin. So I will always start from the eyes. I recommend you, if you want to start there, you can also start from the eyes. So I always start from the eyes. So let's start with the left one. So here you can see that where is this eye starting. We have to locate that. So it is starting at some point. So it's starting at the center line between 10 and 11 and also at the G column. So now we have to locate the same place on the grid. So 10 and 11, so this line and G column. So G column. So here it will start. So now what we have to do is that we have to see that we have to just draw similarly the eyes. So like that we have to draw the whole outline. So let's begin. So let's start making the outline of the left eye. So as I said, it is in the 10th position. So it is here in this line. So this is the 10th and the 11th row and at the G column. So here I have to observe it and just make the strokes. Take your time in making the lines and see how it is, compare it. Like you can see that this point in this sketch, it is just a little above the half point of this square. So similarly I have to just make it half above the half, and then you have to just observe how much you observe, that much you will get it correctly. Now I'll show you fastly how to draw the outlines. So everything is based on your observation and your hand. You have to watch and make your hand coordinate together. So that will give you the control over the drawing. So by practice you will surely get it. So that's all guys. You can see that the left eye is completed. So just focus on the shape of the outline rather than giving more details to it. Just you have to make the shapes accurately and the realistic effect will be given while shading. Now we have completed the left eye. So let's go to the right one. Simply just locate the right eye in the K. It's in the K column. So in the K column, so somewhere around here, or what you can do is just use this. So it is here and here you can see that it's 2 columns away, and then you will have the next one. So here is the starting of the next eye. So just by making one eye, you can almost complete the whole drawing just by using the gaps. So now I'll draw the other eye. So you won't get it in one drawing. So you have to practice and practice. That's all. You have to keep on practicing to get that. So another thing I wanted to say, that try to use a lighter lead pencil so that you can erase if you are making mistakes in the outlines. If you use a dark pencil, you will find it difficult to erase the outlines if you make a mistake. So after completing the eyes, let's go to the nose and then the mouth and then the whole structure. So I'll just complete it fastly for you. So the procedure is the same. You have to just observe, locate the parts and then copy paste it on your A4 sheet using your hand. This is not a computer, so use your hand. The outlines is completed. So you can see that it looks almost like the reference photo. So this is the main thing that you have to get. You have to get the outlines correctly, and then after giving realistic shading to this outline, you will get the realistic sketch. The next step, what you have to do is that you have to erase the grid. You have to erase the grid and leave the outlines as such. Don't erase the outlines also. Then you have to start with 0. And then after that you can start shading. So let's just erase, and I'm going to do it in a snap. So I have erased the grid completely. So you can see I do have the outlines only. So the next step is to shade the sketch, which I'll continue in the next part of this series of videos. So the total time taken was almost an hour, which includes time for making grid, making the outlines and erasing the grid. So patience is key factor, and also work hard and keep trying until you actually use copy paste with your hand. In the next video, we will continue this sketch because the video shouldn't get much longer until you lose your temper. And now comes the bonus tip. Those who are facing difficulty in this grid can use this grid instead, and it will help you a lot more to get accurate outlines. So I hope I could at least help 1 or 2 people with this video. If this video helped you, then give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section and share to your artistic friends. Lastly, if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon to stay updated on upcoming videos. Do these things to support me and motivate me. Thank you for watching the video. See you later. Bye bye.